Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today our topic of discussion is Sir James George Frazer, SJG Frazer. So whenever the question come on Frazer, you have to write the full form whenever you are writing for the first time. The full form is Sir James George Frazer. So from next time onwards, whenever you want to write Frazer name, you can simply mention Frazer, otherwise SJG Frazer. Anything is fine. Okay. So SJG Frazer was 20th century British anthropologist, belongs to classical evolution school of thought. So he belongs to 20th century. So but Taylor belongs to 19th century. He is also British anthropologist, same like Taylor. He is also belongs to classical evolution school of thought that we all know as we discussed in the earlier classes. So coming to his publications, the most important publication is The Golden Bough. It was published in 1890. So almost all the concept that Fraser was proposed are mentioned in this book. So that's why this book is most important. Next one is Totemism and Exogamy. It was published in 1910. So it shows that the Fraser somehow related to the totemism. He worked on the concept of totem that we will discuss in the later slides. Next one is The Worship of Nature, published in 1926. Not that much important, but yeah, it's better to write. Okay, because most of the people won't write it. So if you'll write, you will fetch the more marks. The Fraser evolutionary scheme. So he says that the culture evolved from magic to religion and to science. So the culture starts from the magic. Okay. If you'll go deep into the concept, he believed that magic was the first stage which lead to evolution of religion. We have discussed. So magic was the first stage which lead to evolution of religion. Coming to the magic, what he says is that early men lived primarily by two laws of magic. There are two laws related to the magic. One is law of similarity, and another one is law of contact. Law of similarity says that when the two things are look similar, if you will influence one thing, another similar thing will automatically influence because you are influencing the first thing. This is the major principle behind the black magic. When you will influence the doll, if you will create a pain for the doll, automatically the person who look like same will automatically get the pain. I will read the sentence. Things that are similar to each other share a connection and can influence each other by influencing the representation. Otherwise, by influencing the one, you can have an effect on real person or other thing. Got it? And another law is law of contact. It says that whenever two persons came into contact, if they will go separate on time being, if you influence one person, automatically the same influence will be there on opposite person. I will read the line. Object or individuals that have once been in contact with each other continue to have a mystical connection or influence over each other, even when physically separated. Even when physically separated, both persons influence on each other because they have uh, they have in contact with each other in the past. These two laws are belongs to the magic. Okay, but religion was born as a result of failure of about two laws in controlling or explaining environment. So these two laws are not able to explain the everything that is happening in the surrounding in the society. That's why the religion was born. When the time goes on, science was evolved as a result of rationality. When the rational things are becoming increasing in number, even the religion also not able to answer the few things, then the science was evolved. And it placed at highest development of humankind. Yes, we are going to the phase of mostly scientific, even religion and magic also existing nowadays, but we are in the phase of science. Okay, this is the concept. And another thing is, he gave the theory of origin of totem. We have seen from his publication, right? He is in opinion that totem was originated as a belief in soul. He says that Totem is nothing but a plant or animal or bird or natural object or symbol with which a social group has a definite relationship. So what are the things that they mentioned here, the plant, animal or bird or natural objects. According to the Fraser, all these things will have the soul. Because these things have the soul, they are trying to pray these things. They are trying to, what to say, see them as a sacred things. That's how the totem was evolved, according to the Fraser. The definition which I have mentioned for the totem here is not given by the Fraser, but this is the definition everyone have to write in the exam whenever you will come across the totem. So totem is a plant, animal, bird or natural object or symbol with which a social group has a definite relationship. There is a relationship. So uh, the totem topic we will discuss whenever we will discuss the religions as a topic separately. So for time being, you just understand this. Coming to criticism, majorly the criticism which are given to the classical evolution as a theory are applicable to the Fraser also. So he's not conducted any field work that we all know, and his views are ethnocentric because he compared other cultures with the European. Both magic and religion existing at the same time. As per his theory, magic becomes religion and religion becomes science. He says that if one is over, another one will come. If religion is over, then science will come. But we are seeing that both magic, religion, and science are existing together at present. Yes. So that is one more criticism. He depicted early humans as irrational beings. So that is one more criticism. Coming to conclusion, Fraser contributions on magic and religion are well recognized. So yeah, whenever you will think of Fraser, you have to think of religion, magic, religion, and science. This flowchart. Okay, his contributions are well recognized even today. In fact, Malinowski called his work the Golden Bow as the greatest scientific odyssey in the modern humanism. We have discussed Golden Bow is the most special book, and even today, the Golden Bow having most of the reference. Whenever the persons who are searching for this religion or magic things, they will go and study the Golden Bow book only. So that's why even Malinowski says that. So this conclusion is look simple and it is even more informative. I think you can include this conclusion. But if you can able to write better conclusion than this, it is very much advisable to go with that. Okay. Yeah, that's all about Fraser. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. And the Fraser concept is not that much important for the exam, but you cannot skip it because UPSC is uncertain. It can ask anything. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.